Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to take off the door panel, the back door panel on Corolla 2000 until 2007. The same procedure on all the cars. So this car doesn't have power control on the windows. This is special and it is easier. So we will begin. We have one screw here, we have two screws here, and we have to take this off also. This I took off before because sometimes it is a little bit difficult to take off. I used this tool to take it off. You have to put it, you press a little bit here, you put it between the handle and the door cover and you pull it out. There you will have this stuff holding. It is just like this. It goes here like this. So with this tool you have to come to take it off. That's it. So this is concerning the door, the door handle. Now you will need kind of tool like this to pop up the cover from the other screw. Here we have a Phillips screw like this. So we take it off, and after this we have to take this cover and this cover. It is easy to remove with the plastic tool, not scratch the panel. So these are the clips, the other in the same way. These are the clips here. And now we have these two Phillips head screw. I put always the screws inside the car, because if you put it here, you'll walk on them, you'll lose them. And for sure you don't want them to lose. Okay, so this is all. 1, 2, 3 and the door handle. After we use this tool, put it here with the other door from here, other hand from here, and just take it. That's it. When all the clips are done, you just lift it up, and this is it. So we have one missing. It is here. We'll take it off, put it back after. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, put a thumb up, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.